Hector here, global artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I'm going to teach you how to apply our STALK'R Instant Warmth Bronzer. So we are actually super excited to introduce to you our latest addition, which is our STALK'R Instant Warmth Bronzer. In the essence of inclusivity, we really wanted to create 8 shades. The benefits of the bronzer are many. So it's matte, it's long wear, it's blendable, it's buildable, and transfer resistant. So my model is already prepped with Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 150 and Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 150. So now let's add some warmth to your skin. When you think about bronzer, it's not about contouring. It's really about how the sun actually kisses you when you're out on the beach or you're just out in the park, wherever you're exposed to the sun. So you really want to think about the high points of the face. So the apples of the cheeks, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, a little bit on the chin, and any skin that's exposed. So I'm going to use shade In the Sun, eliminate the excess amount of product on my hand. What I like to start doing is taking just the apples of the cheek and slowly building that. Like I mentioned before, this product is so buildable. It's very easy to apply. It's long lasting, so your sun-kissed look will last all night. Your jawline, your chin, and even your nose. What we noticed is that the everyday woman loves a big bronzer brush. So what we did was create a bigger version of a cheek hugging brush. And what I realized is that it's so much easier to apply your bronzer and have full control. So it really just hugs your cheeks, hugs the forehead in a very effortless way, your jawline, your chin, and the bridge of the nose. So everything it touches, it hugs. When applying bronzer, oftentimes we get a little bit too happy, so you really want to ensure that the center is nice and neutral with your concealer shade. Never want to take it too much on the center, so the T-zone basically remains the same, except for the bridge of the nose. So what I like to do here is really push this product into the hairline. You really want it to look nice and natural, like the sun just came and kissed you, just went out for a full day of just sun. So because we already created like a beautiful sun-kissed look on the face, any skin that's exposed should also have that same consistency. The brush, because it's so easy to apply, you can actually grab these areas. So I want to ensure that I get the top of the shoulders, collarbones, and slightly just of the chest. What I love doing on anyone who wears a bronzer is actually neutralizing the lid as well. When you're fair and you put so much warmth, then your eyes tend to be a little bit more on the red side. I like to take my all over blending brush, just slightly sweep that color all over the lid, and just enhancing back and forth on the crease to create some definition. Any redness you have naturally in the skin will just neutralize with the bronzer. So taking a smaller brush, I'm just gonna slowly sweep it on the lower lash lines. When you have a sun-kissed look, it's important for you to take the bronzer and just wrap it on the lower lash lines. The reason why is not only creating balance, but oftentimes this area gets a little bit red naturally, so neutralizing it is always key. When you think about bronzer, I really want to ensure that everybody's aware that it's just create warmth, right? To make your skin look nice and youthful, like you have a nice sun kiss, it just makes you look and feel more sexy. So now that I have completed my warmth, I want to add a little bit of a dewy effect. And by doing that, what I like using is my Fairy Balm shimmering powders. I really feel like this gives like a nice, soft warmth to the skin and like dewy effect all in general. So what I want to do is just literally layer on top of what I already have done. Using shade Rosé on Ice with my cheek hugging brush, I'm gonna really ensure that my brush is nice and saturated. I'm just gonna take it right on those high points. Really want it to look nice and natural. I'm sweeping that same color right on that lid. And don't forget your ears. And then anywhere you apply bronzer. I'm gonna complete my look with some mascara and of course Gloss Bomb. I hope you guys are all nice and sun-kissed. And if you want to learn more about us, don't forget to follow us on Fenty Beauty and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like and leave some comments. Till next time.